Hi everybody, welcome to another Chats with Chaudhry. I hope you're safe and well. Today I'm delighted to be joined by Alex Sargent, who is the Director of Process Development for Cell and Gene Therapy at Charles River Laboratories. I could get my teeth in properly this afternoon. And we're going to be previewing the upcoming International Society for Cell and Gene Therapy Conference in Paris, which is running from May the 31st to June the 3rd, because Charles River will be exhibiting there and be presenting there. So we thought we'd use this opportunity to catch up and do a bit of a preview about what you can expect to see from Charles River if you attend ISCT. So, Sarge, first of all, good afternoon. How are you, my friend?
I am well. Thank you for having me. Hope you're well too.
I'm very well. It's lovely to see you. Now, first question I'm going to ask you though is because I know there's been a lot going on in Charles River, particularly in the drug discovery space over the last few years, and a lot of acquisitions. So can you talk a bit more about the cell and gene therapy business unit you belong to and what areas you cover basically?
Certainly. So as you mentioned, I am the Director of Process Development for Cell Therapy CDMO Services. And I would say Charles River is really doing something quite unique and quite powerful in the CGT space right now. Anyone who's been following them knows there's been a number of acquisitions. And what that has enabled is that Charles River has the capability to really guide clients interested in cell and gene therapy through every stage of the pipeline. So we're talking about early discovery and looking at, say, a new CAR for your cell therapy, into process and analytical development, manufacturing at our CDMO world-class manufacturing facilities, all the way into our safety testing or toxicology that we're well known for. So now, thanks to everything that CRL has brought into the organization, we can help clients through all stages of the process.
That's fantastic. Now, without going through, I mean, I'm not trying to do this as a memory test for you because I know you've acquired a lot of companies, but for people who are not familiar with the organizations that you've acquired or may not realize that you've acquired them as part of Charles River, what are some of the companies that you have acquired over the last 18 months or 2 years?
That's no question. So now, due to acquisitions, we have viral vector manufacturing, as well as plasmid manufacturing up into the GMP level. We have the CDMO services, what used to be Cognate Biosciences, for cell therapy manufacturing. And that runs all the way from phase 1 to commercial programs. We just got our EMA inspection, about 6-7 months ago now, and went through that quite well. And we also have cell solutions. So if you're looking at cell supply, for instance, where do I source my leukopacks, my cell lines, my primary cells? There's also been some acquisitions recently that Charles River can help you with that. So a lot of exciting things.
Fantastic. Now let's talk about the upcoming ISCT event in Paris then. Obviously you're going to be there, but are there any particular solutions or any particular thing that you're focusing on when you're at the show in Paris in a few weeks' time?
Certainly. So myself and my team will be presenting a poster at ISCT talking about a novel media supplement that Charles River is developing that helps with gene editing cell therapies, leading to better outcomes and higher efficiency when we talk about gene editing. Shout out to my boss and good colleague, Matthew Hewitt, will be giving a talk about the allogeneic versus autologous cell therapy debate.
Right.
I will definitely be in attendance to that because that is a debate I follow quite closely and have some feelings on. And we have some other colleagues on the gene therapy side as well that will be talking about some of the different testing strategies and some of the different things that CRO can help for gene therapy products. So yeah, we hope to have quite a good presence there.
Fantastic. And you're actually at quite a few other shows as well, aren't you? Because I know there's SGCT coming up. There's a plethora of events coming up. So what we'll do is we'll put those events above the video so people can see what other events you're at, as well as the ICT as well.
And I'll mention,
Please do.
CRL is having what we're calling CGT summits. These are CLL sponsored events, free to the public to attend. I'll be attending some, as well as some other folks at CRL. We have one kicking off in San Francisco next week, and we have one upcoming in June in London. So be on the lookout for those. We always like to meet people at those events.
Fantastic. Well, again, I'll try and get the details and put them above the video so people can have a look at those as well. Now, I know you said that obviously you have got this end-to-end solution now that you can provide to customers, and it's unique. But I know there are other companies who would claim they also do end-to-end solutions as well. So what makes what you do truly unique compared to some of those other providers?
I would say, do those companies truly have end-to-end solutions? For
Right.
instance, if they need to do toxicology or animal work, where are they sending those cells at? Chances are Charles River. If they are doing a lot of their testing, viral release testing, analytical testing, release testing, where are they sending those samples to? It's a good chance Charles River is involved in that pipeline. Fact that we're very proud of is in 2021, CRL was involved in 88% of drug development in the US alone. So we play a part, right, in all kinds of different drugs that are coming into the market or coming into the clinic. Now what we have is the capacity to really help clients complete that journey in-house within one partner, which is Charles River.
Fantastic. Well, thanks, Sarge, for giving me that overview. All right, so we'll put the stand number above the video. I mean, if you know the stand number, great, we can share that now. But if you don't worry, we can put it up on the video, anyway, because no one's going to remember it right now anyway. But we will write it on the post so people can see the stand number. So now the only other question I said is that obviously, if you're at the show or you're going to many of the other shows, you go maybe to the workshops that you're running or the seminars, they can meet you there. But if people can't do that, where else can they get more information about Charles River?
So we have a wonderful newly revamped website that just launched where there's actually contact pages on there. And through those, I'd like to say that when you actually put in an inquiry there, it is going to a person, to myself, to somebody in business development, marketing. So you will get a reply if you go to that website and tell us what you need and where we can help you.
Brilliant. So, look, thank you very much. I know you've got a very busy schedule, so thank you for fitting me in today to do this quick preview. So there you go, viewers. If you are at I nearly forgot the name, but ISCT, because there's so many shows and acronyms, I'm trying to get them the right way around. ISCT in Paris on the 31st to the 31st of May to 3rd of June. Check out the Charles River booth, check out all the talks that Sarge talked about, and look out the posters as well. Also, they are at, as I said, many other events this month and in following months, and I'll put some of those other events above the video so you can see them, like ASGCT. I think you've got a booth there as well, and many other events. So we'll put the details above that as well. And obviously you can check out the LinkedIn page and the website to find out more information. Obviously you can message Sarge directly on LinkedIn as well, and find out more from there as well. So Sarge, good luck with your trip to ISGCT. I hope you have or ISCT, I should say, sorry, and have a fantastic conference. And viewers, I will see you at a conference in the not too distant future, beginning with some letter in some order, ASGCT, ISCT, or many other of the acronyms out there. And as always, until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.